Well guys, what we got here today is a hand fishing reel with a PVC pipe, and we got a little $1 Walmart light there to hold it in place. And this was just a little experiment to see if it would work. The darn surf fishing rod and reels cost about 150 bucks. This was like $5, reel included. The reel's like $2 at Walmart. This was $1, and the PVC cost about a couple bucks. And then the fishing line. We're using some little handmade sand fleas that I learned from fish gum on YouTube. Whoop, that's just the surf there. And we got some fish chews from him, some fish pumps that he manufactures, and we're using on the other reel as a regular pompano. We're using on the other reel a pompano rig, and this one we're just using some homemade little lures. They look like sand fleas. I made a video on it. I make a video on everything, don't I? All right. So that's our fishing trip to this morning. You only fish here between 6 in the morning and 8 a.m. and between 6 and 9 in the evening. But it's a nice little spot here on the beach, and that's what we're doing today, is trying out our little surf fishing gadget. They were only $1. Walmart. All right, guys. We're going to go in a few minutes. This works out pretty good. You can't cast as far as with the surf rod, but the premise is okay. The PVC holds it, and this keeps it from going out, and also you can turn on the light at night. We didn't catch anything, but I don't think we would have caught anything with the surf rod either. So, but you just can't throw it out as far. But it only costs $5, so I think maybe be improved a little bit, but it worked out pretty good. No fish though. All right, see you out there.